Now for this one, another simple one, we're going to be using those wood heart beads again, and just some of them ornaments, the ribbon, all the same things. I'm going to be using a different metal card this time though. So you can stack these, you can do this singular, you can do this, you can do it really big and make it really long. You can do this in so many different ways. But I'm just hot gluing the little card down, and then I'm taking some faux florals and I'm wrapping the stem around. So I cut off the pieces that I wanted, and I'm just wrapping the stem around kind of to secure it there. And then I'm taking little twisty ties and attaching this. You can attach it with zip ties. You can attach it whichever way is going to be the most secure. I wouldn't do it with just glue. You could do it with wood glue, but then you have to wait a while for it to secure itself. But you want to make sure it's nice and secure and everything will stay together. And then I just added a few more florals to this. And again, nice and simple, made a bow with the twisty tie that, tied in place, and then just stack the different pieces of the bow. So I'm not a good bow maker, but and then I attach that with a twisty tie to there. And then just to cover up that part, I just use some of the ornaments again and stack those on top. And then you can hang this with a door hanger. And it is simple and done using all Dollar Tree items. Make sure to subscribe so you can follow along for more fun holiday DIYs.